Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Students, welcome to your General Science class. Today, we will study lesson number 6, Movement of Animals. As we all know that plants make their own food, but animals, they cannot make their own food. So, they need to move in search of food and shelter. Different animals move in different ways. Some animals run, some animals walk, some animals hop, while some animals swim. Let us learn more about how different animals move and which body parts are used by these animals to move. First of all, we will study about insects. Most insects like cockroaches, spider and ants, they crawl on the ground. Some insects can also fly. For example, honeybee, grasshopper, dragonfly, mosquito. Insects have legs for their movement. Insects such as bedbugs and lice have jointed legs and a pair of claws at the end of the legs. The claws help the insects to move on the surface. Such insects do not have wings. Some insects have pairs of wings. These insects fly using these wings. These wings have powerful muscles. For example, houseflies and bees flap their wings very fast to fly. Reptiles crawl on the ground with their forelegs. For example, lizards and crocodiles. Snakes do not have legs. They move on their stomach. Reptiles have short, stout, and strong legs. Lizards have tiny pads with hooks on their feet. The picture that you can see here is taken from the underside of a lizard to show you the pads with the hooks. You can see the hooks. These hooks help the lizards to cling to the walls, so they do not fall down even when they are upside down. The legs of crocodiles are very strong, which help them to move on lands. Crocodiles crawl on the ground with their forelegs. Crocodiles also have webbed feet and a very powerful tail to help them to swim. Tortoises use their forelegs and hind legs to move. But the forelegs in the turtles, they are modified into flippers to help them to swim. Snakes do not have legs. They move on their stomach with the help of special type of muscles present in their body. Now we will study about birds. Most of the birds can fly. Some birds, like Arctic terns, can fly long distances. Arctic terns fly from the North Pole to the South Pole. Some birds can fly only short distances, like hens and peacocks. Some birds, they fly at great height, like kites. Students, birds have a light body, hollow bones that are filled with air, strong flight muscles, and special feathers that help them to fly. Let us see the types of feathers that are present in the birds. The bodies of birds are covered by three types of feathers: flight feather, down feather, and tail feathers. The flight feathers are long feathers present in the wings. They help birds to fly. Down feathers are short feathers present all over the body of the birds. They keep the bird's body warm. Tail feathers are attached to the tailbone. They help birds to change direction while flying. Students, there are some birds that cannot fly, such as ostriches, penguins, and kiwis. These birds are called flightless birds. Kiwis cannot fly because their wings are only 5 centimeters long. Now we will study about mammals. Some animals have long and powerful legs that help them to run fast. Examples are horses and zebras. Some animals such as lions, tigers and cheetahs can run very fast to catch their prey. Giraffe and deer have long thin legs that help them to run fast. Elephants walk with very strong pillar-like legs. Their toes balance their body weight. Kangaroos move by hopping and running. They have long hind legs to jump high. Human beings walk with 2 legs. Camels have padded feet. This helps them to walk on the hot sand in deserts. The bat is a flying mammal. Bats have wings to fly. Bats do not flap their wings, but fly by cupping their wings in front of their bodies. Some other animals, like fish, have fins to swim in the water. The boat-shaped body of the fish helps them to swim easily in water. Fish move their fins forward and backwards like the oars of the boat. This pushes their body forward. Fish use their tail fins to change the direction when they are swimming. Students, I hope you have understood the chapter very well. Students, you must try to read the chapter after watching the video and try to solve the textbook exercises that are given at the back of the chapter. Happy reading, children.